Hello, I'm Susan Seaman, Mayor of Eureka. Well, we made it through our first week sheltering in place. We're educating ourselves as much as we can about this virus, but we're learning even more about our habits and what we're capable of. Many of us realize we can communicate with video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Google Hangout. We're noticing how much we touch stuff and what we touch most, and hopefully we're disinfecting often in response. We're learning that we can support our local economy by not cooking dinner and ordering delivery instead. Parents are becoming teachers, teachers are becoming video personalities, and grocery store workers are the new heroes. It's a lot of change in a short period of time, and I want to commend those of you who are taking this seriously. It hasn't been easy, but many of you have become dedicated to flattening the curve, and for that, I thank you. Today, I would like to share with you some updates related to COVID-19. During this unique moment, the City of Eureka's top concerns are the health and well-being of our citizens, the stability and resilience of our community, and the strength of our local economy. Accordingly, all of our emergency actions are designed to support these three priority areas. I'd like to talk to each of you about the City of Eureka's recent state of emergency declaration, why it's necessary, and what we're doing to continue to provide safe and reliable city services during these extraordinary times. As you may have heard, on Monday, the City of Eureka formally declared a state of emergency in order to support and reinforce Humboldt County and the state of California's respective orders for residents to stay at home and help slow the transmission of COVID-19. This important administrative step is designed to support the city in a few ways. Now we can more effectively manage essential staff, we can provide and/or receive mutual aid, and we can streamline the process of securing state and federal disaster funds for our residents and businesses. On Monday, March 30th, City Council will convene a special meeting to confirm this declaration of emergency. We know that businesses in our community are facing hardships, and they're also feeling confused about the shelter-in-place order. Most of the business owners I know really want to do the right thing to help this pass as quickly as possible, but they're unclear about what is deemed essential. You can find the most detailed description in the original county order, which can be found on our City of Eureka website. And beginning today, city staff from code enforcement will be visiting businesses in the community to help with education and enforcement of the shelter-in-place order. These proactive visits will be both to non-essential businesses that are still in operation and essential businesses that are open to confirm they're following safe practices. During these visits, city staff will provide education materials. If needed, they'll issue warning notices. And while always an option, more drastic methods like issuance of citations are a last resort. However, to successfully accomplish the intended purpose of the order, which is to reduce the spread of COVID-19, we need everyone to work together. At the same time, I want to assure you that the city is dedicated to the safe continuity of city services, and we're taking unprecedented action to keep our citizens and employees healthy and safe. Like most of you, our staff have adjusted their workday to apply best practices and recommendations of the nation's leading health advisors. Where possible, city staff members are working from home and have shifted to an appointment-only model at City Hall to support social distancing recommendations while continuing to provide important local services. Our utility workers are now working in shifts 6 days a week to better provide continuity of operations while actively reducing potential illness transmission by having smaller work teams. We're encouraging community members to use the city's website and telephone services to enable city staff to meet your needs. If an in-person appointment is necessary, you can learn more about how to do that at ci.eureka.ca.gov. Of course, our leadership team continues to be in regular communication with other governing agencies and local community organizations. I am in communication with our city manager on a daily basis, at least. We will continue to share relevant updates on a regular basis as the situation evolves. In addition to our video updates and social media posts, you can find regular city updates at the City of Eureka's website at ci.eureka.ca.gov. There, you'll also find links to the Humboldt Health Alert, the California Department of Public Health, and the Center for Disease Control. Business owners can find a link to the North Coast Small Business Development Center, which has the most up-to-date information for businesses. Finally, these are extraordinary times, and we're asking all of you to take extraordinary measures. To help control the community spread of COVID-19, please keep doing your part. Stay sheltered in place, but if you must leave your home, practice social distancing. Wash your hands regularly, avoid touching your face, and sanitize your cell phone and other personal items that travel with you and are touched or traded frequently. Again, I'm Mayor Susan Seaman, and I appreciate your attention to this message and to your commitment to doing everything you can to protect our community. Be safe, stay healthy, be patient with yourself, and be kind to your neighbors and family. We'll talk again soon.